Here are 3 steps you need to follow to delete your YouTube channel. Hello everyone. Today we will see how to delete YouTube channel from your PC. You just need to follow the next 3 steps and hence your channel will be gone forever. Here the first step is go to youtube.com. Once you reach your channel page, select the channel icon and choose the settings option. Well, the second step is go to the advanced settings option in the channel settings page. Now here select the delete channel option. That's it. Here YouTube asks you to confirm you are the verified owner or not. So here choose your PIN or password to confirm your channel verification. And step 3 is YouTube asks you to whether you can hide your content or simply you want to delete the entire channel with your content. So we are going to delete the channel permanently with our content. So I am going to choose this option and selecting the delete my content. It asks you to enter your channel name. So I am going to type my channel name. And select the delete my content option. And that's it, your content is being deleted. So YouTube takes some time to permanently delete your content, any history and any other comments in the videos. So that's it guys, this is how you can able to delete your YouTube channel from your PC. Feel free to let us know any of your doubts or clarification in the comment section. I will reply each and every comment. See you in the next video guys.